Good evening, you're watching the News Now updates. Let's move today's headline. India is still not out of the woods as far as unemployment is concerned after a year when the lockdown was imposed to contain the spread of deadly COVID-19 on March 25th last year as pandemic-induced job loss has not trapped off consistently. The government has imposed a lockdown to curb the spread of pandemic, but this impacted economic and commercial activities and resulted in job loss and later on the exodus of migrant workers, which rocked the entire nation. According to the Center for Monitoring Indian Economy data, the unemployment rate was recorded at 6.9% in February 2021, which is slightly better than 7.8% in the same month last year and 8.8% in the March 2020, during which lockdown was imposed. Asia's largest tulip garden overlooking the famous Dal Lake here will be thrown open to the public on Thursday, marking the beginning of new tourism season in the Kashmir. Moreover, a post by Prime Minister Narendra Modi has left many amazed. Talking to Twitter, PM Narendra Modi shared about Jammu and Kashmir majestic tulip garden to set to open for the tourist on March 25th. His post contained more incredible beautiful images showing the flowers in the full bloom. AIM tight security Mehbooba Mufti reach Enforcement Directorate office at Srinagar. Heavy snowfall triggered in Kashmir Valley on Leh axis. Advisor to LG Bashir Khan inaugurated opening of Tulip Garden today. People's Democratic Party (PDP) leader and former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti on Wednesday hailed Prime Minister Narendra Modi after he reached out to his Pakistani counterpart Imran Khan, saying it was a step in the right direction. Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently wrote a letter to Khan wherein he said that Indian desire cordial relations with Pakistan, but an atmosphere of trust devoid of terror and hostility is imperative for it. A 50 years old man was killed when a vehicle hit him in the South Kashmir district on Thursday, officials said. Naseeb Ahmed Wani, a resident, was critically injured when a truck hit him at Thajiwara in Anantnag today. Standard vehicles between Ramban and Nashri on the Jammu-Srinagar highway were allowed towards Kashmir Valley after authorities cleared heavy rain-triggered landslides on the highway, which remained shut for the second day in a row on Wednesday. The highway is shut since Tuesday with heavy rains triggering landslides over a dozen places in Ramban district yesterday. Petrol and diesel prices were on Thursday cut for the second straight day as international oil prices fell on the prospectus of speedy recovery in consumption getting clouded by the second wave of COVID-19 cases. Petrol price was cut by 21 paisa per litre and diesel by 20 paisa according to the price notification of state-owned fuel retailers. Dharamnath Trust Employees Association organized Nagar Kirtan at Gandhinagar. Newly joining of members in addition to core team of JKPM at Punch. Thank you for watching the video.